Hi, welcome to our channel, and today let's grow a tree in a pot. Now if you see, I have few cuttings here, and these cuttings are quite strong, so I'm using a sharp garden tool scissors to give a 45-degree angle cut here. Now since this part of the branch is quite huge for propagation, I'll have to trim the top part of the cutting. This cutting I'll use for propagation. It's better to trim the smaller branches of the cutting to make way for root development. For quick and better rooting, coat the lower end of the cutting in rooting hormone completely. This is also important to avoid pest and fungal attack in plants. In case you don't have any rooting hormone powder, then do drop a comment as roots for an alternative. As you can see, I have covered the cutting completely in rooting hormone. Repeat the process with all your cuttings. Once your cuttings are ready, let's begin the potting process. For this, we have used cocoa peat. Carefully push the cuttings in the cocoa peat. Take one cutting at a time and push it gently in the potting medium. Cover the cuttings with some additional cocoa peat and water lightly. Keep the pot under shade for a couple of days and later move it under full sun. Do share, like and subscribe if you like this video.